Friends, welcome back to the video classes. In the previous video class, we have completed the problems from exercise 1.3 up to 5 problems. Now we will continue the remaining. Now sixth one is, a certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees centigrade at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process began? After the process began, that means what will be the room temperature? So, what is the solution? So, what is the room temperature? Room temperature is, initial temperature is how much? 40 degrees. Room temperature is 40 degrees centigrade. So, here at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade every hour, the temperature is decreased. The temperature is lowered. That means temperature decreased for 1 hour. Write down temperature. This is the temperature decreased. Decreased for 1 hour. How much? 5 degrees centigrade. So what will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process began? Here the temperature, room temperature, starting initial temperature is 40 degrees. Temperature decreased for 1 hour is 5 degrees. Then what is the temperature after 1 hour? Therefore, temperature after 1 hour or first hour is equal to how much? So here initially this is the 40. For every hour the temperature decreased by 5 degrees. Therefore 40 degrees minus 5 degrees centigrade, which is equal to 35 degrees centigrade. Temperature after 1 hour is 30 degrees. So now same temperature after second hour, 2 hours. First hour is 35. What is the temperature after 2 hours? Again this 35 is decreased by 5 degrees. Therefore 35 degrees centigrade minus 5 degrees centigrade, which is equal to 35 minus 5, 30 degrees centigrade. So now temperature after 3 hours. 3 hours. What is the temperature after 2 hours? 30 degrees. Now again this 30 degrees is decreased by 5 degrees. 30 minus 5, which is equal to 25 degrees centigrade. Now temperature after, like that you find the temperature. So 25 degrees centigrade minus again 5 degrees, that is equal to 20 degrees centigrade. Now temperature after 5 hours is equal to 20 degrees centigrade minus 5 degrees centigrade, which is equal to 15 degrees centigrade. Now temperature after 6 hours, again it is decreased by 5, 15 degrees centigrade minus 5 degrees centigrade, which is equal to 10 degrees. Now temperature after 7 hours, again 10 degrees is decreased by 5 degrees, 10 degrees centigrade minus 5, which is equal to 5 degrees centigrade. Now temperature after 8 hours, so 5 degrees centigrade. What is the temperature after 7 hours? 5 degrees. Again this 5 degrees is decreased by 5 degrees after 8 hours. So next hour again it is decreased by 5, minus 5. So 0 degrees centigrade. 5 minus 5. Temperature after 9 hours. 0 degrees centigrade minus 5 degrees centigrade, which is equal to, here we are subtracting 5 from 0. That means 0 minus 5 means minus 5 degrees. The temperature after 9 hours is minus 5 degrees. Similarly, temperature, therefore the temperature after 10 hours, what will be the temperature? Minus 5 degrees centigrade is decreased by 5 degrees, which is equal to minus 10 degrees centigrade. Therefore, the temperature after 10 hours is equal to how much? Minus 10 degrees centigrade. So the same problem can be done in the another method. That is, suppose temperature is decreased how much? 5 degrees for every 1 hour. 1 hour temperature is decreased by 5 degrees. For the temperature for 10 hours, for 10 hours, so this is for 10 hours, how much temperature will be decreased? How much? For 1 hour 5 degrees, 10 hours, how much temperature? Let's say 10 fives, 10 into 5 degrees, that is equal to 50 degrees centigrade. So temperature, therefore this is the 50 degrees centigrade for 10 hours, we are getting 50 degrees centigrade. Therefore temperature after, we can do like this also, temperature after 10 hours is equal to, what is the room temperature? 40 degrees centigrade. Therefore 40 degrees centigrade minus 50 degrees centigrade, which is equal to minus 10 degrees centigrade. So we can get here, we can get the same. So minus 10 degrees centigrade, minus 10 degrees centigrade. In this way we can check our answer. Now, seventh problem. Seventh problem is, in a class, so where? In a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer, and 0 means 0 mark for questions not attempted. So Mohan, first one is Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answers. What is his score? So, and second one, Reshma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. What is her score? These two are the same. So let me do the first one. Okay, of course. Third one also. Hina gets 2 correct, 5 incorrect out of 7 questions. She attempts. What is her score? Here, Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect. 2 plus 5, 7. What about the other 3? So she has not attempted. So what is her score? So let me explain one by one. The first one is, first one solution. So it is very simple and very easy. So first you take Mohan. So what is the Mohan? So 5 marks are awarded for correct answers. So let me write marks for 1 correct answer. CA means correct answer is equal to 5. Marks for 1 incorrect answer is equal to 2. Now, so come to the Mohan. Mohan. Number of correct answers, let me write in shortcut, is equal to 4. Mohan gets 4 correct. So number of correct answers are 4. Therefore, find the marks for correct answers. Marks for how many questions? 4 correct answers, which is equal to 4 into, so what is the mark for correct answer? 5. Therefore 4 5s 20. Marks for correct answers is equal to 20. Now number of incorrect answers. Incorrect answers. How many incorrect answers? He got 6 incorrect answers. 6. Therefore marks for 6 incorrect answers is equal to 6 into minus 2, which is equal to minus 12. 6 into minus 2, which is equal to minus 12. Now, therefore, Mohan score is equal to, score means marks for correct answers plus marks for incorrect answers. How many marks he got? 20. Correct answers 20. Plus of marks for incorrect answers minus 12. So again we got the addition of integers. So 20 plus of minus 12, which is equal to how much? 8. So what is the Mohan score? So he got 8 marks. Now let's come to the Reshma. Reshma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. What is her score? So this is same as the previous one. So you do at home. You try at home. Now third one is, let me do third one. Hina. So Hina. So again, so marks for correct answers are 5. So for every correct answers, 5 marks are awarded. For every incorrect answer, 2 marks are awarded. Hina gets 2 correct answers. Number of correct answers is equal to 2. Therefore, marks for 2 correct answers is equal to 2 into, how many marks are awarded for every correct answer? 5. Therefore 2 into 5, which is equal to 2 5 is 10. So next, number of incorrect answers. Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers. So number of incorrect answers are 5. Therefore marks for 5 incorrect answers is equal to 5 into minus 2, which is equal to minus 10. So here, how many questions she attempted? 2 plus 5, 7. What about the other 3? So she doesn't attempted. Therefore, number of questions not attempted. Questions not attempted is equal to 3. Therefore, marks for same questions not attempted is equal to 3 into, so already has given, so 0 marks are awarded for questions not attempted. Therefore 3 zeros are 0. Therefore what is the Hina score? Hina score is equal to marks for correct answers plus 10 plus marks for incorrect answers, 10 plus of minus 10 plus questions not attempted 0. Therefore 10 plus of minus 10. So addition of 2 different signs of integers. We will subtract them as whole numbers. 10 minus 10, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Therefore this is the Hina score. Now come to the 8th one. So a cement company earns a profit of 8 rupees per bag of white cement sold and a loss of 5 rupees per bag of grey cement sold. So first one is, the company sells 3000 bags of white cement and 5000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or loss? So let me do the first bit. So what is the solution for first one? So first you write profit for 1 cement bag. Profit earned. So you simply write profit for 1 white cement bag WC means bag. Oh, okay, right. WC bag. White cement bag is equal to how much? 8 rupees is the profit. So loss for one grey cement bag sold is equal to how much? 5 rupees. So here the question is, if the company sells 3000, if the company sells 3000 bags of white cement and 5000 bags of grey cement, so first you write the number of white cement bags sold. So number of white cement bags sold. How many? 3000. And so let me write side by side. Number of grey cement bags sold is equal to how much? 5000. Okay. So therefore, write, therefore, profit for 3000 white cement bags sold. Profit for 3000, this is 3000 white cement bags. How much you find? How much? 3000 into profit for one white cement bag, 3008 into 8 rupees, which is equal to 24,000 rupees is the profit for white cement. And what about the loss? Loss for how many bags sold? The company sold 5000 bags of grey cement. Therefore, loss for 5000 grey cement bags. So 5000 into, what is the loss for every bag? So loss for one grey cement bag is 5 rupees. Therefore 5005, which is equal to 25,000 rupees loss. Here on comparing profit and loss, here 25,000 rupees is on comparing. You write down this one also. On comparing, 25,000 rupees is greater than 24,000 rupees. Therefore, did he get loss or profit? Therefore, he got loss. Therefore, loss is equal to how much? He got 25,000 rupees minus 24,000 rupees, which is equal to 1,000 rupees. On the whole transaction, he got 1,000 rupees as the loss. And next, what is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss? Neither profit nor loss. If the number of grey cement bags sold is 6,400, here the, okay, write down number of, here the solution is simple. This is very simple. Number of grey cement bags sold. Number of grey cement bags sold is equal to 6,400. Therefore, loss on, you just find the loss. Loss on 6,400 grey cement bags sold is equal to 6,400. What is the loss on every grey cement bag? Is 8 rupees. 8 rupees or 5 rupees? 5 rupees. So 6,400 into 5. 5 zeros 0. 5 zeros 0. 5 fours 20. 2 is there. 5, 6, 30 plus 2, 32. Therefore, what is the loss on selling 6,400 grey cement bags? 32,000 rupees loss. Here, the question is, what is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit or nor loss? If the number of grey cement bags sold is 6,400, so to find the number of white cement bags sold, the profit must be equal to loss. Here, for we know that here to get neither profit or loss, so you can write the same thing. To get neither profit or loss, neither profit or loss, profit must be equal to loss. Profit must be equal to loss. Must be equal to profit must be equal to loss. Therefore, what is the profit? Profit is equal to, which is equal to loss. Profit is equal to, what is the amount? 32,000 rupees. He got loss as 32,000 rupees. Therefore, we can take this 32,000 rupees as profit. Now, we know that for every one white cement bag sold, how much is getting profit? 8 rupees. Therefore, for 8 rupees profit, 8 rupees we are getting 8 rupees profit on selling one white cement bag, on one white cement bag sold. Suppose if the profit is 32,000 rupees, so let it be, this is the profit. On how many white cement bags he must sold? So, to get more than one or less than one, we will get more than one. Therefore, 32,000 by 8, which is equal to 8 ones, 8 fours. So, cancel 8 ones, 8 fours are 32. So, 4,000. So, therefore, 4,000 what we call white cement bags. Therefore, to get neither profit or loss, how many bags he must sold? 4,000 white cement bags. So, this is the answer for 8th problem. Now, come to the 9th one. Replace the blank with an integer to make it a true statement. A minus 3 into dash is equal to 27. So, as we know the properties, which integer is to be multiplied by 3 to get 27. As you know the multiplication. 3 nines are, how much? 3 nines are 27 nines. But here we got the positive. Therefore, the product of two negative integers is positive. Therefore, this is minus 9. In the same way, 5 into dash is equal to 35. So, 5 sevens are 35. Here the product is negative. Therefore, 5 into minus 7. Did you understand? So, in the same way, third one, C bit. Dash into minus 8 is equal to 56. So, just receive the table. 8 ones are 8. Like that. 8 sevens are how much? 56. This is 7. So, this is positive. Why? Because product of positive and negative is negative. So, 7. Now, dash into 132. So, this is HW to you. Okay. So, this is third exercise. We will continue in the next video class.